Dobar dan. Nalazimo se u rezidenciji ambasade Indije i na moje veliko zadovoljstvo razgovaramo sa njegovom ekscelencijom gospodinom Subratom Bhattacharjijem i njegovom suprugom Somom Bhattacharjee. More and more people are practicing yoga, especially in challenging times, which I hope are now already behind us. Many people made their first step, started applying this ancient practice that originated in India. How would you describe yoga to someone who does not know what it is and why it is significant to the modern man?
See, if you look at somebody doing yoga, it will appear in the first that doing merely some physical exercises, but it's more than that. Yoga is an ancient Sanskrit word. It is 3,000-year-old word. It means to join, to unite. To join what? With what? This was explained beautifully by Prime Minister Modi when he spoke to United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Today's world, you have a lot of imbalance. Imbalance between your body and your mind. You are very stressed, body-wise, but you are doing internet. Sometimes your relations are stressed between your family members. Relations are stressed between yourself and the nature. Because we are consuming more and more plastic and others which are not recyclable and dumping in the nature, polluting the water, littering. So we are creating an imbalance. The whole idea was yoga was an art and science together to maintain the balance. So what you do here, do a physical exercise as well as do some mental exercise. This combined helps you to attain a better balance with yourself, with your mind and body, with the nature, with your family members, with the society at large. So yoga can be done by anybody, whosoever wants to maintain a better balance between himself or herself and his or her neighborhood, the surroundings.
You know, our country, we are very traditional people. Traditionally, women used to be at home, taking care of the family and the children, and men used to go out and work to earn their bread and butter. But with the economic situation and with the modernization of the world, the role of the women has become more critical, because now women are going out to earn bread and butter equally, to provide for the family, to provide for the children. At the same time, they are also supposed to take care of the children and the well-being of the children and the upbringing of the children. Now, when people are at home dealing with their own children, that is a different situation. But then when you go outside the world and working in the corporate world, situation is different. And the way we want, things always don't go that way. Situations are different. So we need to maintain a balance as a woman to the outside world and the inside world. And in order to develop that balance, it is important to have mental peace, or how you react to the situation. When things don't go the way I want, what will be my reaction? Because I cannot change the outside. I can only change my mind, my reaction. In order to do that, I think yoga is a good practice which will give you to have physical energy as well as the emotional balance, so that when I come back home, I can share my life, my emotion with my children. At the same time, next day when I go back to my office, I am rejuvenated. I can work well, I can give better response to my colleague, my boss, my clients. So I think yoga not only, it's not merely a couple of stretching exercise, it also gives us mental strength, especially in this kind of pandemic situation when things are very different than our normal situation, what used to be in past.
Every year, Embassy of Yoga celebrates International Yoga Day, 21st June, which will be the case this year as well. When and where this day will be marked?
Well, since 2015, we have been celebrating International Day of Yoga with the help of the yoga associations and yoga lovers of Serbia. So this is now 7th occasion. We are doing it on 19th of June. 19th of June, please come to Kale Megdan. Gather near the Victor statue. We're going to start at 8 o'clock, so come by 7:30. See you there. Vidimose.
Thank you very much for this conversation and hospitality.
Thank you.
Hvala i vama na pažnji. Kao što ste čuli, 19. juna, povodom Svetskog dana joge, imate priliku da vežbate na Kalemegdanu. Sve počinje od 8 časova. Svi su dobrodošli. Poziv za ljubitelje joge, ali i za sve radoznale koji će možda prvi put praktikovati jogu. Puno pozdrava, sutra u isto vreme vežbamo i dišemo zajedno.